Hello, today we're going to learn how to wrap a mini bouquet of flowers. All you need is one sheet of paper. This is a standard size. You can cut it just a bit depending on the length of your flowers. If you have a long stem bouquet, do not cut anything. Here I fold one side over just like that depending on the size of my bouquet. I can make this part smaller or larger. I fold a thinner sheet of paper in triangles like that. I scrunch it up and place it at the center. And all you have to do is bring both sides at the front just like that. You hold it tightly and then the left part as well. And that's it. We just have to add a nice ribbon. I have thin ribbon, so I went in with 2 layers. If you have a thicker ribbon, maybe only go with 1 layer to not overpower the flowers. This packaging style looks great on small bouquets of any flowers. To be honest, I love roses wrapped this way as well. It always looks fantastic. We're done, and look how cute this looks. It's such a beautiful bouquet. If you want to learn more about the art of flower wrapping, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.